Welcome to Untold English Vocab.
Today we are going to explore the names of common vegetables used in our daily life.
What is this called?
Artichoke, asparagus, beetroot.
What is this called?
Bell pepper, broccoli, Brussels sprouts.
What is this called?
Cabbage, carrot, cauliflower.
What is this called?
Celery, chard, chili pepper.
What is this called?
Corn, cucumber, eggplant.
What is this called?
Endive, fennel, garlic.
What is this called?
Green bean, kale, leek.
What is this called?
Lettuce, lima bean, white button mushroom.
What is this called?
Mustard greens, okra, onion.
What is this called?
Peas, potato, pumpkin.
What is this called?
Radish, spinach, sweet potato.
What is this called?
Turnip, zucchini, butternut squash.
What is this called?
Acorn squash, baby corn, bamboo shoots.
What is this called?
Bean sprouts, broccolini, celeriac.
What is this called?
Chayote, Chinese cabbage, daikon radish.
What is this called?
Dandelion greens, edamame, green onion.
What is this called?
Jicama, kohlrabi, mache.
What is this called?
Nopales, parsnip, poblano pepper.
What is this called?
Portobello mushroom, purple cabbage, rhubarb.
What is this called?
Shallot, snow peas, tomatillo.
What is this called?
Taro root, watercress, yam.
What is this called?
Yellow squash. Seaweed. Jerusalem artichoke.
What is this called?
Bitter gourd. Long bean. Patty pan squash.
What is this called?
Winged bean. Water chestnut. Collard greens.
What is this called?
Beet greens. Pumpkin blossoms. Garlic scapes.
What is this called?
Lotus root. Burdock root. Fenugreek leaves.
What is this called?
Ginger. Green pumpkin. Tapioca.
What is this called?
Elephant yam. Ridged gourd. Bottle gourd.
What is this called?
Snake gourd. Roman cauliflower. Coriander leaves.
What is this called?
Drumstick. Ash gourd. Banana flower.
What is this called?
Turmeric root. Morena. Banana stem.
What is this called?
Ivy gourd. Cluster beans. Arrowhead root.
What is this called?
Black radish. Bok choy. Oyster mushrooms.
What is this called?
Spaghetti squash. Shiitake mushrooms.
Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more exciting content coming your way.